I don't know why I filmed with a black shirt on today. Normally I don't do black shirts. Limited edition. Get into it. First of all, before we even jump into the video, I just want to take out a moment just to say thank you so much for clicking on today's video and supporting Diamond Mind. I appreciate you guys deeply and dearly, and I love you guys so much. So without further ado, bitch, you know the drill. Let's get into it. Okay, so y'all probably can't really see the rest of this wig because I do have on a black shirt. Okay, so first of all, let's jump into the review real quick. So this wig is from OMG Her Hair. This is their 18-inch. Ooh, this is their 18-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. The density on this wig is 150%, and this is their kinky texture wig, y'all. First of all, y'all already know this is my favorite texture, hands down. But the density on this texture is so freaking good, and it is so perfect for the summertime. Because kinky texture is such a very natural, beautiful, full texture, a lot of hair can be very overwhelming and hot, especially in the summertime. And it can take a little bit of patience to straighten the whole, to straighten this type of texture if that is the look that you're going for. But one thing about it, and two things for sure, if you want straight hair, if you want full hair, and you want your hair to look super natural and super good, kinky texture is always the way to go. Period. So let's get into it. Let's talk about this wig. First of all, the density is absolutely perfect. 150% is the perfect texture, and honestly, from now on, this is the texture that I'm going to request when anybody sends me this type of texture, because it is just perfect. I love how it didn't take a whole lot of heat to get the hair to look straight. And look at that shine. Take a whole lot of heat, didn't take a whole lot of press and pass throughs to get this hair to be straight, and it's not so big to the point where it's hot as hell. So like I love the fullness of this. Like look at that, so pretty. This is, I think this is an HD lace. It feels like it is. Yes, this is definitely an HD lace. So you guys saw how clean the hairline was looking before I did any little swoops in the front. This wig is so good for any person, whether you are a beginner or you are a professional and you ain't new to this thing. This is the type of wig that you definitely need in your collection because number one, let me tell you something. I did nothing to this wig at all. I did no bleaching. I did no plucking. I did absolutely nothing to this wig. This hairline, what you see right here, is definitely what you will get, okay? Just like how natural this hairline is, how it's not over plucked, how it's not under plucked, how I didn't feel the need to go in and do anything, how the knots were bleached perfectly, how the lace blended into my skin amazingly. You need this wig. So yeah, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video.